Hi, I'm Tamta, and I want to show inventory project that I have made in Unity. First thing I want to say about it is, if you want to take a closer look at it, the GitHub repository is publicly available already, and you can just check the link in the description and check it out if you want to, I don't know, take a closer look, maybe learn something from it. So first of all, let's do a little demo. Here we have the list of items currently in the player's possession, and we can select any one of them to get a closer look. We have, each item has a title, a sprite, and a description. And over here, this is the inventory itself. And as you can see, this is like a custom looking script where we can custom looking script. It doesn't look like mono behavior scripts usually do in the editor. So we can select, these are the items available to the player, and we can select one of them. Let's select one that isn't currently selected here, first of all. And as you can see, by the way, selected items are highlighted. So let's select an item that isn't selected and remove it from the inventory. And as you can see, this item stays selected. Now let's try the item that we have showing here. And it disappears, and then we can select something else. And we can, of course, add those items back in by putting them here and clicking confirm. What are we missing? We're missing poison. Okay, so the way I did this is, if we go into the inventory script, as you can see, the list of items is actually, it's a list, and it's not a serializable list, because if we were just to serialize it like a regular mono-behavior list, then hypothetically the game designer working on the game would be able to just click on the GUI layout property field, like, right, hang on. GUI layout field. Oops. Property field, yeah, there we go. Is it not in GUI? Editor GUI layout, okay. Yeah, so then we could, I'm not sure if it'll do it while in play mode. Oh, it messed something up. Items properties not set. That is probably the problem. Where are we setting this? Oh, there. Is that what it's called? Yep. And here we can see the list of items. However, if we add or remove items like this, as we can see, the short sword is still available, but it's not clickable. And also we have, for some reason, it's not reacting to input at all, which sure is fun. Not sure if it did it because of this or because of something else, but we certainly have some. Item is physically removed from the list, but it is not we get some unexpected behavior here. So yeah, this is a This is mostly for like a hypothetical game designer. Can I click? Yes. And if I remove it, I can still click on it. So it acts as if it is still, as if I still own the item. So yeah, this is very bad. I'm going to remove it from my Git repository later, but via GitHub Desktop, but that is why this list isn't, actually let's remove it now. This list isn't available like that. And then we also have editor's custom view for these items. So you can see the icon for them shows up like this. Oh, and by the way, these were done by, I forgot to leave credit for them. I will fix that after I record this video. They're not made by me. I just found them on itch.io, I believe. They were made by an artist. So yeah, I'm gonna add that to the GitHub README. But that is basically all the functionality that I have right now. Next up is, first of all, making sure that I can have 2 instances of the same item, which I can't do right now because the items are purely scriptable objects. Like completely, the scriptable objects go into the inventory directly. And I want to fix that. That's the first thing. Second thing is making all of this prettier. And then I might add some, I have a bunch of functionality planned. I don't remember all of it, but yeah, this is the project that I've been working on most of the time lately. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. Also, this video is pre-recorded, so by the time you are watching it, it is very likely that these features have already been added to the repository. So again, be sure to check it out. But that is all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. And if you found this project interesting, please like, subscribe, and most importantly, interact with my GitHub. I like sharing my programming stuff with people. Either way, bye.